Hello, Royal Family. Hope everyone is enjoying their day. Today is Thursday, you guys. And I just wanted to come on and let you guys know I posted an old picture of a video I had did on YouTube of chicken and dressing stuffed deviled eggs. And I had a lot of Facebook requests asking me to do the chicken and dressing, because at the time I was kind of new to YouTube, and I was doing the video and I thought it was recording the recipe and the ingredients, but it wasn't. So I'm going to come on this Sunday and we're going to do, of course not an ordinary chicken and dressing. No. Miss O is going to kick it up a notch. So you guys stay tuned on Sunday. I'm going to say I should post it around 6 or 7, but I want you guys to check out this chicken and dressing. It's going to knock your socks off. All right, you guys. I'll see you Sunday for Mrs. O chicken and dressing recipe. All right. God bless you and enjoy your weekend.